You ready for some intrinsic valuation 101? I want a guinea pig. Don't worry, I'll make you look really good. Does anybody want to volunteer? Somebody who's never done valuation. You've done valuation before? Okay, good. You already know valuation. In fact, I'm going to use a very simple experiment to illustrate this because it is not complicated. Okay? So I have an envelope. Don't worry, I'm not a magician. I'm not going to do strange things. No? I'm going to put $20 into this envelope. So again, no tricks. Nothing else is going in. How much would you pay for this envelope? Good. Because most people, when you show them this, you know what their answer is going to be, right? They saw the $20 go in, they offer me $20. If you pay $20 for an envelope with $20, what do you end up with? An envelope, which I stole from upstairs. So the first lesson in valuation is if you know the value of something, don't start your bidding at that number. Start at one. In fact, you might want to start at one. Who knows what disease I have? Maybe I can't read numbers. It's a tall order, but you never know what you might get. But this is a simple asset to value, right? Even Wasserstein Perella should not have any trouble with this asset. And everybody saw the $20. If I open this up to a bidding war, at the end of the bidding war, my guess is we're going to end up roughly at $20. Now we're going to make this interesting because I'm going to add stuff to this $20, and I want to tell. No, that's not good if it falls out. No. I want you to tell me as I go through these lists of items that I add, how much you would add to the value. So read to the class what this says. Control. Okay, here's what I'm going to do, people. I'm going to add control to the $20. Now there's $20 plus control. How much should you pay for the envelope now? It's already at 20, so you can't go below 20, but I've added control to it. It should be worth a little bit more, right? 25, okay. Give me the 25. You thought this was a game. If you actually paid 25, think of what you've just done. You paid $5 for a 3x5 card. There's no control premium in it. It's a 3x5 card on which I wrote the word control, and I stole that too. Actually, you said 25. You're not the only one. I did this at Goldman Sachs, the M&A team, a few weeks ago. And of course, I opened this up, and the guy at the banker, the very enthusiastic banker, said, puts up cents, 24. I sold it to him. He says, but I didn't mean it. I said, now that it's your own money, that 20% control premium is starting to bite, right? You can see where this is going next. What does it say? Synergy. That's a big one. I'm going to put that in there. But again, it's a 3x5 card with the word synergy. I can write all kinds of neat stuff. How about brand? Let's see what I can do there. What does it say? Brand name. If you're a marketing person, you're doing somersaults in the air and say, this is wonderful, 3x5 card. Basically, my point is that after I add all of this stuff, all you have is $20 plus 3x5 cards with nice sounding words.